Head-on collisions, a severe, dangerous breed of car accidents, often leaving trails of serious injuries or fatalities. They're daunting, high-impact forces. If you're a witness or involved, here's a brief guide. Ensure your safety and others. Dial emergency services and report the accident. Provide first aid if feasible, but don't move the seriously injured. Activate hazard lights to alert other drivers. At the scene until permitted to leave by authorities. Exchange necessary information like names, insurance details, and vehicle info. Cooperate with authorities and give an accurate account of the incident. Document the scene, snap photos of the vehicles and damages, accept medical help, get checked. Injuries may not be immediately apparent. Contact your insurance company, provide requisite details. Lastly, if serious injuries are involved, seek legal guidance. Mental health support may be needed as head-on collisions are emotionally taxing. Prioritize safety, heed emergency responders and law enforcement. Stay safe out there.